Damn, man. Back on the jam again. What's up, y'all? Feel good? I feel delicious tonight, man. Check this out. I was counting my money today. And then all of a sudden, you ever do this, fellas, where you like count money, you feel good, and you just want to call up an old girlfriend? Just to gloat and shit. I called with my girl, I got all nervous in my stomach, just like I used to when I called. I wasn't scared of her. It's her punk-ass mother. Every time I called the house, her mother answered the phone. Mean as shit. Hello! I put on my best phone manners. Hi. How are you? May I speak to Shirley, please? Who this? Oh, this is David Chappelle. Hold on, motherfucker. Shirley! Telephone, you little slut! What? Oh, hello? Yes? Shirley's taking a shit. She'll call you back. Click! The whole world is drug-infested. Hate-infested, drug-infested world. Hate drugs. I heard the worst drug story. You know what my friend told me? You know what he's dealing with? His landlord is hooked on crack. That's terrible. That's pressure. Your landlord's hooked on crack, that means you've got to have the rent. He come around all the time. I got the rent. It's not even due yet. It's the 10th. Come on, I need it. Well, let me just get $20 of it now, and then just give me the rest of the month. Every couple hours. Hey, look, I'm going to need some more of the rent. This building's falling apart. Things came up. Comes home early from a party. Landlord's in the crib going through his shit. What are you doing in my house? Ah! Where's the sink? I came to fix it. It's in the kitchen. I thought it was in the drawer. I'll fix it tomorrow when I come for the rent. Fun in Frisco? Hell yeah. Seen the sights? No. You want to go see Alcatraz? What kind of nigga in his right mind wants to visit a prison for recreation? I got friends in jail I don't visit. I don't deal with jails. Don't deal with jails, and I don't deal with police. My house got robbed in New York. I didn't even call the police. I wanted to, but I couldn't. My crib is too nice. It's not that it's too nice, but it's too nice for me. You know how the police are in New York. Soon as I open the doors, they'll be like, oh, he's still here. Open and shut case, Johnson. Apparently, this black guy broke in and hung up pictures of his family everywhere. Never seen anything like it. Don't deal with them, man. I had to bail a friend of mine out of jail one time. You know, that was horrible. I was scared. I had to walk right into the belly of the beast. I tried to look as non-threatening as possible. Hi. I'm here to bail out my buddy. Oh, okay. Well, while you're here, you do fit a description. If you'll walk this way, we can process you. I'd always get us. It's fitting those damn descriptions. Now, I could be bitter and blame all the police, but no.